Hello friends, myself Nimisha. Welcome to ACE Academy. Today we learn method to find zero of the polynomial. So method to find zero of the polynomial includes algebraic method and next is graphical method. So about this algebraic method, in case of algebraic method we set expression equal to 0 and solve for x to find zeros. In case of graphical method we find the zeros by plotting the polynomial graph y equal to f of x and identifying the x coordinates where the graph crosses or touches the x-axis, that is the x-intercept. For example, p of x is equal to 3x plus 6. So we take this example to solve the zero of the polynomial using algebraic method. So for algebraic method we said this expression equal to 0. So we put p of x equal to 0 here. So 0 equal to 3x plus 6. Now 3x plus 6 equal to 0 we can write here. Now 3x equal to minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 upon 3. So we get x equal to minus 2 here. Therefore x equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 6. So this is the 0 of this polynomial using the algebraic method. Now next is about the graphical method. So we take example for the graphical method. Now to find the zero of the polynomial using graphical method. So we take example as p of x is equal to y equal to 2x plus 2. For plotting the graph, we make table here. Here we write x and here we write y. Y means p of x, which is equal to 2x plus 2. Now if we put any number in this expression for x, we get corresponding value for y. If we put here x value of x equal to 0, so the value of y we get as 2. When we put here x equal to 1, so value of y equal to 4. If we put here x equal to 2, so it becomes 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get here 6. So these are the x and y coordinates. Here x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. So here x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 4, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 6. So now using these points we plot the graph here. Now we make here as a y-axis this and this is as a x-axis. This is the positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis. This is positive x-axis and here on left hand side this is negative x-axis. Now we plot this point here 0 and 2 will be here because x is 0 and y is 2. So this point we get here. Now here x is 1 and y is 4. So we get point here. Now here x is 2 and y is 6. So we get this point as here. Now we join these points and draw the graph. The graph we get as a straight line because this is linear polynomial. For the linear polynomial we get the graph as a straight line here. Now here this straight line graph intersect this x axis, or we can say this intercept the x, or we can say the x-intercept is minus 1 here because this graph intersect x-axis at x equal to minus 1, or the x-intercept is x equal to minus 1 here. So x equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore 0 of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x plus 2 is minus 1. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching it.